Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on breakout chart. In today's video, we are going to talk about three fantastic stocks that has given an amazing breakout with the inverted head and shoulder pattern. Let's get started. So before moving further into the stock, let's see what this inverted head and shoulder pattern speaks. The chart that you are seeing now is the inverted head and shoulder pattern. So during the formation of the left shoulder, you can see that the volume goes down and the market and the stock prices is also goes down. During the formation of this head pattern, the volume stabilizes and the stock price touches the bottom and it shows the signs of recovery. And during the formation of the right shoulder, the volume stabilizes and then it moves upwards and then the volume and then the stock price also touches the neckline. That is a crucial point where the breakout can happen. And once the neckline has got broken, which means the neckline is the resistance for this head and shoulder, and once it breaks the resistance, then the stock moves in the upward direction. This is a potential U-wave formation where the market would have traded in the bottom level, and right from the bottom level it shows the signs of recovery and started moving towards the upward direction. And let's see those three stocks which has formed into this inverted head and shoulder pattern. The first stock that you would like to bring is Steel Authority of India Limited, that is called as SAIL. And if you see this chart, the stock has given an inverted head and shoulder pattern breakout. If you see this line, especially this is an left shoulder head pattern and the right shoulder, and the line that I have drawn is a neck pattern. So what has happened is it has formed a proper head and shoulder pattern, and it has got and it has given a breakout in the in the right shoulder. So this continues to travel probably to a higher range, and I would suspect a decent amount of profit can be booked in next 2 to 3 months time. So let's jump into the next stock, that is Birla Soft. Birla Soft has also found a proper neck and shoulder pattern. Let me draw the line for you. I would say this is the neckline, as we call over there the resistance line. And if you see that, see this is the left shoulder and the head pattern and the right shoulder, and the neckline has been broken in this area. So this how the stocks moves. So what I'm believing what it would happen here is the stock will give a breakout and it touches the resistance line. At that time, this resistance line, I mean the line that is coming here, this resistance line will act as a support and then it moves towards the upward direction. So this how the stock can also move. And what I would expect in this stock is probably in next 2 3 months time, the stock is expected to give a fantastic move in the upcoming days. So keep this in your radar and then invest when it gives a retracement, or you can invest right now with the current market price. And this third stock that I would like to bring is IEX, Indian Energy Exchange. So Indian Energy Exchange is one of a good stock and it has got a very good fundamentals. And if I have to draw the neckline for you, it is here. I mean the proper resistance line. So what's happening here is the stock has given an breakdown at this point. Volume goes down, okay, and the volume gets stabilizes the head pattern and the right shoulder. So what has happened is the stock has given an amazing breakout and then it has also given an retracement. So let me draw the neckline correctly. Yes, this is the correct line. So the stock has given an amazing breakout and then it has retraces and it touches the resistance line once again. On 8th April, the market has got retraced. Probably from this places, and what I would expect is it can move further upward. So already the breakout has done and it has touched the retraced line. So it is good to move upward. But still just keep out on the stock, and I can also see there would be a volume spike in the upcoming days. See, this is not an investment advisement. Like, you do your own fundamental and technical analysis before entering into any stocks. So hope you have enjoyed watching this video for today and have a great day. And if you want me to do stock analysis for any other stock, please drop a comments below. And if you like to do a separate video on any other topics, please let me know. Thank you for having you today and wish you a great day. Bye.